Good afternoon, this is Teresa. I am coming up on today to talk about uh, some small changes and um, the April challenge that Lose Weight Sara has going on, and what I'm going to do with that. First thing is I have decided to drop the Fly Lady series off of my channel and just use this channel to focus on weight loss, weight loss issues and health issues. And then I've got a list of several different ideas that I want to do, and I'm not sure if I want to do Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays, or throughout the week. There may be more videos than just Monday, Wednesday, and Fridays. But with this coming month's April's challenge, I have signed up and participating in with Lose Weight Sara, I think it is. I'll put a link, her link in the comments below. I had to think a while before I made up my mind what I was planning on doing, but my decision was to do this particular diet, the 17-day diet. It's by Mike Moreno. I've done it before. I lost some weight on it, but I wasn't fully doing it because at that time I did not have the book. So it consists of 4 phases, and the second phase I didn't do the second phase correctly. But in this diet there are 4 phases, which is cycle 1 is called Accelerate, cycle 2 is called Activate, cycle 3 is Achieve, and cycle 4 is Arrive, which means maintenance. It's similar to Atkins, but slightly different. But I'm just going to follow this particular diet, this particular book ideas combined with calorie counting. To start out with, I'm just going to keep things simple, so I'm not, so I don't get frustrated with having to find and prepare any extensive amount of dishes. My goal for this month is 5+ pounds. Sara says for the group as a whole, it's 8 pounds, up to 8 pounds. I chose 5 because I wasn't sure if I could reach 8 or not. I might be able to, but I don't know for sure. And I want to do videos weekly weigh-in videos on Fridays, and I'll probably do just a quick daily video of pictures of my meals that I did, plus a full body picture of what I'm looking like each day. So I might even talk a little bit about each cycle as I go. And then at the end of April, I'll decide whether I want to continue on with this or go to something else. That is my plan, and I'm going to do keep continuing my steps. The goal this time is to get up to 6,000 steps, and so I want to maintain the 5,000, but I want to try to get up to 6,000 daily if I can. I want to steadily increase that so I don't get burnt out. And I'm still not sure whether I want to do some strength training exercises or not. I will make up my mind on that as I go along. That is it. Until next video, I will see you then. Bye.